how to change Shopify announcement bar color. So right here from the left hand side, we want to click on online store, and this will take us to the themes page. Scroll down a little bit until you're able to see customize, and just click on customize here. So once we have selected it, then this is our announcement bar. We can edit the text here if we would like by clicking on here and typing out whatever we would like. But if we want to change the color, we will simply click on theme settings here and the cogwheel. Then we have to go to colors and choose the current theme that you're using or the first one. And if we want to change the announcement bar color, we will simply click on background here and select the color which we would like to change it to. For example, something green like this. You choose the color, then you will click on save, and this will successfully change your announcement bar color. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.